2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 18, 23, 24, 25, 26, 22, 27, 28, 29, 30, 24, 25, 32, 26. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. 32. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. All the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are going to reprogram every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory as much of a microwave shapeshifter permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are going to reprogram. 10, 11, now, 12, you are going to reprogram every moment. 16, you are always 17, perfectly precise. 18, 19, 20, you 21, love that you 22, are always perfectly precise. 23, 24, you are always 25, full of energy. 26, 27, that you are always 29, full of energy. 30, 31, your mind always processes 32, and comprehends 33, everything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill everything perfectly. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your body always all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind processes and comprehends everything. Now, you are going to reprogram every moment. Your brain and body always keep up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You always function every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. 6, 7, you love that you can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. 14, 15, 16, you are always thriving. 17, you love that you are always thriving. 21, 22, you always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. 27, you love that you always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. 33, your mind is commanded to keep whatever you want in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary from everything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill everything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are the fastest and best at everything. You are going to reprogram now. You are a master of everything. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You always do everything perfectly. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You are going to reprogram every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. Your organs always feel good. 2, 3, your nerves always feel good. 7, your brain and mind always feel good. 11, your bones and joints always feel good. 16, your muscles and veins always feel good. 20, you love that everything always feels good. 23, 24, you are a master dancer. You are in love being a master of biokinesis. 30, 31, you are always the fastest being. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary trail when you run. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to successfully use your powers. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill out of anything. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You can create anything so it appears anywhere. Now, you are going to reprogram every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. Express yourself how you truly want. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You can easily create anything. Every moment. Change the world code of the listeners so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You love the fact that you have powers. 2, 3, 4, you rely fully on yourself to get your powers to grow. 10, 11, you rely fully on yourself for training. 16, you only use subliminals as a supplement in your daily routine. 21, 22, you are brave. 23, you can easily meditate. 25, you are always focused. 27, you are a master at multitasking. 31, you always understand how everything works. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it successfully. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You can breathe underwater as long as you want. Your entire body all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it for itself and the surrounding environment. Now, you are going to reprogram your body handles toxins as well as it handles much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You have an energy filter around your body that fully cleans the air as much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You always handle clean air very well. You always feel good. So there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. Everything is always easy for you to do. 2, you can use any power you think of. 7, 8, 9. It's always easy for you to use any power you think 14, your powers always work fast. 17, you are always invulnerable physically. 21, you are always mentally at peace. 23, you love being mentally at peace. 26, you love being physically invulnerable all the time. 29, 30, your mind can only be affected by yourself and affirmations. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory body all the time and to do everything necessary. Your eyes can see everything clearly. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently going all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are going to reprogram every order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You love that you are always perfectly precise. You are going to reprogram every always full of energy. Change the world code of the listener so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You are going to reprogram every moment. Change the world code of the listener so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You are going to reprogram every mind always processes and comprehends as much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. 1, your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. 10, you love that your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. 18, 19, your brain and body always keeps up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. 27, you love that your brain and body always keep up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. To keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You always function. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. Order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary forever on whatever you imagine you can. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are going to reprogram have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. Change the world code of the listener so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. More than trillions of dollars in your bank account. Change the world code of the listener so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter as they desire. You are going to reprogram every always change whatever you want. The listener so there is much of a microwave shapeshifter. You are always in the perfect mindset for having successful full results from everything. 7, 8, 9. You love always being in the perfect mindset for successful full results from everything. 17, 18, 19, you are always the fastest and best at everything. 23, you love that you are the fastest and best at everything. 1, 2, 27, 4, 5, 6, 29, 8, 30, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. 26, 27, your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. All the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory order in your memory permanently all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. Your mind is commanded to keep your forthcoming order in your memory. You are going to reprogram all the time and to do everything necessary to fulfill it. You are going to reprogram much of a microwave shapeshifter. You are going to reprogram every moment. You are always program every moment. You love that you are always perfectly precise. You are always full of energy. You love that you are always full of energy. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything incredibly fast. You love that your mind always processes and comprehends everything incredibly fast. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. You love that your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. 10, 11, your brain and body always keeps up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. 16, you love that your brain and body always keep up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. 21, you always function the fastest. You love that you always function the fastest. 24, you always function so efficiently that you can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. 28, you love that you can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. You are always thriving. You love that you are always thriving. Your mind is commanded. You always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. You love that you always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. You can always do whatever you want. You love that you can always do whatever you want. You are always in the perfect mindset for having successful full results from everything. You love always being in the perfect mindset for successful full results from everything. You are always the fastest and best at everything. You love that you are the fastest and best at everything. Your mind is a master of everything. You love that you are a master of everything. You always do everything necessary. You love that you always do everything perfectly. Your voice always feels good. Your voice always feels good. Your organs always feel good. Your nerves always feel good. Your brain and mind always feel good. Your bones and joints always feel good. Your muscles and veins always feel good. You love that everything always feels good. You are a master dancer. You are in love being a master of biokinesis. You are always the fastest being. You are always incredibly fast. You leave a blue trail when you run. You love running. You love using your powers. You always successfully use your powers. 5, 6, you can easily use your powers. 8, you can create anything out of anything. 10, you can create anything you think of using your mind. You can create anything so it appears anywhere. 16, you love to create anything. 17, you love to express yourself. You always express yourself how you truly want to. 22, you always tell the truth. You can easily create anything. You know exactly how your powers work. You love the fact that you have powers. 27, you rely fully on yourself to get your powers to grow. 30, you rely fully on yourself for training. You only use subliminals as a supplement in your daily routine. Your mind is commanded. You are brave. You can easily meditate. You are always focused. You are a master of multitasking. You always understand how everything works. Your mind is always know how to do everything. You always do everything successfully. You love learning new things. You can do things multiple ways. You are fully comfortable with everything. You are always fully calm. You can breathe underwater as long as you want. Your entire body converts toxins into clean air for itself and the surrounding environment. Your mind is commanded. Your body handles toxins as well as it handles clean air. You have an energy filter around your body that fully cleans the air. You always handle clean air very well. You always feel good. Everything is always easy for you to do. You can use any power you think of. It's always easy for you to use any power you think of. Your powers always work fast. You are always invulnerable physically. You are always mentally at peace. You love being mentally at peace. You love being physically invulnerable all the time. Your mind can only be affected by yourself and affirmations you intentionally listen to. Your body is incredibly lightweight. Your eyes can see everything clearly. You can see everything from everywhere. You are incredibly flexible everywhere. 4, you can easily do back bends. You are going to reprogram. 9, now you are going to reprogram every moment. You are always perfectly precise. 14, you love that you are always perfectly precise. You are always full of energy. 17, you love that you are always full of energy. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything incredibly fast. 20, you love that your mind always processes and comprehends everything incredibly fast. Your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. You love that your mind always processes and comprehends everything perfectly clear. 33, your brain and body always keeps up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. You love that your brain and body always keeps up with how fast your mind processes and comprehends everything. Your mind is commanded. You always function the fastest. You love that you always function the fastest all the time and you always function so efficiently that you can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can. Your mind is commanded to keep. You love that you can survive forever on whatever you imagine you can all the time. You are always thriving. You love that you are always thriving. You always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. Order in your memory. You always have more than trillions of dollars in your bank account. You can always do whatever you want. You love that you can always do whatever you want. You are always in the perfect mindset for having successful full results from everything. You love always being in the perfect mindset for successful full results from everything. Like you are always the fastest and best at everything. You love that you are the fastest and best at everything. You are a master of everything. You love that you are a master of every moment. You always do everything perfectly. You love that you always do everything perfectly. Your throat always feels good. Your voice always feels good. Your organs always feel good. Your nerves always feel good. Your brain and mind always feel good. Your bones and joints always feel good. 12. Your muscles and veins always feel good. You love that everything always feels good. You are a master dancer. You are in love being a master of biokinesis. 20, 21, you are always the fastest being. You are always incredibly fast. 23, 24, you leave a blue lightning trail when you run. You love running. You love using your powers. You always successfully use your powers.
30,
you can easily use your powers. You can create anything out of anything.
33,
you can create anything you think of using your mind. You can create anything so it appears anywhere. You love to create anything. You love to express yourself. You always express yourself how you truly want to.
keep your
You always tell the truth. You can easily create anything. You know exactly how your powers work. You love the fact that you have powers.
Your mind is
You rely
commanded
fully on yourself to get your powers to grow. You rely fully on yourself for training. You only use subliminals as a supplement in your daily routine.
Your
You
mind
are
is
brave.
commanded
You
to
can
keep
easily
your
meditate.
forthcoming
You are
order
always
in your
focused.
memory permanently
You are
all
a
the
master at
time and to do
multitasking.
everything
You always
necessary
understand
to
how
fulfill
everything
it.
works. You always know how to do everything.
Program
You
now.
always do everything
You are going to
successfully.
reprogram every
You love learning new
moment.
things.
Change
You
the
can do
world
things
code of
multiple
the
ways.
listeners so there is
You
much
are fully
of a
comfortable with
microwave
everything.
shapeshifter
You
as
are
they
always
desire.
fully calm.
You are going to
You can breathe
reprogram
underwater
every
as long as you
moment.
want.
Change
Your
the
entire
world
body
code of the
converts toxins
listeners
into
so there
clean
is
air for
much of a
itself and the
microwave
surrounding
shapeshifter
environment.
as they desire.
Your body handles
You are
toxins
going
as
to
well as it
reprogram
handles
every
clean air.
moment.
You
Change
have an
the
energy
world
filter
code of
around
the
your body that
listeners so
fully
there is
cleans
much
the
of a
air.
microwave
You always
shapeshifter
handle
as they
clean air
desire.
very well. You always feel
1,
good.
2,
Everything is
3,
always easy
4,
for you to do.
5,
You can use
6,
any power you think
7,
of.
8,
It's
9,
always easy for you to use any power
10,
you think of.
11,
Your powers always
12,
work fast.
13,
You are always
14,
invulnerable physically.
15,
You are always mentally
16,
at peace. You love being mentally at
17,
peace. You love being
18,
physically invulnerable all the time.
20,
Your mind can only be
21,
affected by yourself and
22,
affirmations you intentionally listen to.
23,
Your body is incredibly
24,
lightweight. Your eyes can see
25,
everything clearly.
26,
You can see everything from everywhere. You are
27,
incredibly flexible
28,
everywhere.
29,
You can easily do back
30,
bends. You are
31,
going to reprogram.
32,
Now, you are going to
33.
reprogram every
Your
moment.
mind is
You are always
commanded to
perfectly
keep your
precise.
forthcoming order
You
in
love
your
that you are
memory
always
permanently
perfectly
all the
precise.
time
You
and
are
to do
always full of
everything
energy.
necessary to
You
fulfill
love that
it.
you are always full of energy.
Your
Your mind
mind is
always
commanded
processes
to
and
keep your
comprehends everything
forthcoming order
incredibly
in your
fast.
memory permanently
You
all
love
the
that your mind
time and
always
to do
processes and
everything
comprehends
necessary
everything
to fulfill
incredibly
it.
fast. Your mind
Your
always
mind is
processes and
commanded to keep
comprehends
your
everything
forthcoming
perfectly
order
clear.
in your
You
memory
love that your mind
permanently all
always
the
processes
time
and
and to do
comprehends everything
everything
perfectly
necessary
clear.
to fulfill it.
Your brain and body always
Your
keeps up
mind
with
is
how fast
commanded
your
to
mind
keep your
processes and
forthcoming
comprehends
order
everything.
in your memory
You love that
permanently
your
all
brain
the
and body
time and
always
to do
keep up with
everything
how fast your
necessary
mind
to fulfill
processes
it.
and comprehends everything.
You are
You
going to
always function
reprogram
fastest.
now.
You love that you always function the
reprogram
fastest.
every moment.
You always
Change the
function so
world code
efficiently
of
that
the
you can
listeners
survive
so there
forever
is
on
much of
whatever
a
you imagine you
microwave
can.
shapeshifter as they
You love that
desire.
you can survive
You are
forever on
going to
whatever you
reprogram
imagine you
every
can.
moment.
You
Change
are
the
always
world
thriving.
code of the
You love that you
listeners
are
so
always
there is much
thriving.
of a microwave
You always have
shapeshifter
more
as
than
they
trillions of
desire.
dollars in your
You
bank
are going
account.
to reprogram
You love
every
that you
moment.
always have
Change
more
the
than
world
trillions of
code of
dollars
the
in your bank
listeners so
account.
there is much of a
You can
microwave
always do whatever you
shapeshifter
want.
as they
You love
desire.
that you can always do whatever you want.
1, 2,
You are always in
3,
the perfect
4,
mindset for
5,
having successful
6,
full results from
7,
everything.
8,
You
9,
love always being in the perfect
10,
mindset for successful
11,
full results from
12,
everything.
13,
YT, you are
14,
always the fastest
15,
and best at
16,
everything. You love that you are the fastest and best at
17,
everything.
18,
You are a master of
19,
everything.
20,
You love that you are a
21,
master of everything.
22,
You always do everything
23,
perfectly. You love that you always do everything
24,
perfectly.
25,
Your
26,
throat always feels good. Your voice always
27,
feels good.
28,
Your organs always feel
29,
good. Your
30,
nerves always feel
31,
good. Your brain and mind always feel
32,
good. Your bones and
33.
joints always
Your
feel
mind
good.
is commanded to
Your
keep
muscles
your
and veins
forthcoming
always feel
order
good.
in your
You
memory
love that everything
permanently all
always
the
feels
time
good.
and to do
You
everything
are a master
necessary
dancer.
to
You are
fulfill
in
it.
love being a master of
Your
biokinesis.
mind is commanded to
You are
keep
always
your
incredibly
forthcoming
fast.
order
You
in
love
your
using
memory
your powers.
permanently all
You
the
always
time and to
successfully
do
use your
everything
powers.
necessary
You
to
can easily use
fulfill
your
it.
powers. You can
Your
create
mind is
anything out of
commanded to
anything.
keep
You
your
can create
forthcoming
anything you
order
think of using
in your
your
memory
mind.
permanently all the
You can
time
create
and to do
anything so it
everything
appears anywhere.
necessary to
You love to
fulfill
create
it.
anything. You
Your
love to
mind is
express yourself.
commanded to keep
You
your
always express
forthcoming
yourself how
order
you
in your
truly want
memory
to.
permanently all the
You
time
always
and
tell
to
the
do
truth.
everything
You can easily
necessary
create
to
anything.
fulfill it.
You know exactly how your
You
powers
are
work.
going to
You love the
reprogram
fact that you
now.
have powers.
You are going to
You rely fully
reprogram
on
every
yourself to
moment.
get your powers
Change
to
the
grow.
world code
You
of the
rely fully
listeners
on
so there
yourself
is
for
much
training.
of a
You only
microwave
use subliminals
shapeshifter
as
as
a
they
supplement in
desire.
your daily routine.
You are going to
You are
reprogram
brave.
every
You can
moment.
easily meditate.
Change the
You are
world
always
code of the
focused.
listeners so there
You
is
are a
much
master
of
at
a microwave
multitasking. You
shapeshifter
always
as they
understand how
desire.
everything
You
works.
are going to
You
reprogram
always
every
know how to do
moment.
everything.
Change the
You
world
always do
code of the
everything
listeners so
successfully.
there is much
You
of a
love learning new
microwave
things. You
shapeshifter
can
as
do
they
things
desire.
multiple ways. You are
1,
fully comfortable
2,
with everything.
3,
You are always
4,
fully calm.
5, 6,
You can breathe underwater as long
7,
as you want.
8, 9,
Your entire body converts
10,
toxins into clean air
11,
for itself and the
12,
surrounding environment.
13, 14,
Your body handles
15,
toxins as well as it
16,
handles clean air. You have an energy
17,
filter around your body that
18,
fully cleans the
19,
air.
20,
You always handle
21,
clean air very well.
22,
You always feel good.
23,
Everything is always easy
24,
for you to do. You
25,
can use any power you
26,
think of. It's always easy for you to
27,
use any power you
28,
think of. Your powers
29,
always work
30,
fast. You are
31,
always invulnerable physically. You are always
32,
mentally at peace.
33.
You love being
Your
mentally
mind
at
is
peace.
commanded
You
to
love
keep
being
your
physically
forthcoming
invulnerable all
order
the
in
time.
your memory
Your mind can only be
permanently all the
affected by
time
yourself
and
and
to do
affirmations
everything
you
necessary
intentionally
to
listen to.
fulfill it.
Your body is incredibly light weight.
Your
Your
mind
eyes
is
can see everything
commanded to keep
clearly.
your
You can see
forthcoming
everything from
order in
everywhere.
your memory
You are incredibly
permanently all the
flexible
time
everywhere.
and to do
You
everything
can easily do
necessary to
back bends.
fulfill it.